Meaning of displease.
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 Displease. Displease means to cause someone to feel unhappy or dissatisfied, typically in a mild way. It is often used to describe a situation where someone has done something that has upset or annoyed another person. The result of displeasing someone can range from minor annoyance to more serious consequences, depending on the severity of the offense and the relationship between the parties involved. In general, it is important to try and avoid displeasing others whenever possible, as it can have negative effects on relationships and lead to further conflicts in the future.